more nervous of the...
Sam! Welcome to Skydive Midwest. How you doing today?
Great.
All right, so you were jumping out of this plane right here. Is it your first time skydiving?
Yeah, first time.
Why are you doing this?
Multiple reasons. It's my birthday, for one. The second reason is when I'm working, the yard is right on the other side of the frontage road, and I see you guys falling. Hey, I want to do that.
All right,
so
perfect.
That's the second reason. And the third reason, because my brother did this about 10 years ago, and you know I can't let him
one up you, right?
All
right, well, happy birthday, Sam. It's so good to have you out here today. We got beautiful blue skies.
Oh yeah.
Do you know how high we're about to jump out of this plane from?
Isn't it like 15?
We're gonna be a little lower than that, so we don't need any oxygen, but we'll be at 14,000 feet.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna free fall for about a minute. Parachute's gonna open, and then you get to glide and see that view from above. Cool. You'll get to look down on your work. Cool. Is there anything you want to say to your friends and family before you become a skydiver?
Bienvenidos everybody. Appreciate everybody que está en Nicaragua, primas, primos, and in Chicago, my best friend Ramon, my brother Elmer, and my son, Adolfito.
All right, you ready to go celebrate?
Yep.
Let's go have some fun, man. I'll see you up there.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
Oh man, Sam, you jumped, you lived. How was it?
Yeah, it was great. It was just too cold.
A little chilly. Maybe you need to do it a little earlier in the summer next time.
Yeah.
Well, not a bad way to celebrate a birthday.
Oh, definitely.
Would you do it again?
Oh, hell yeah.
Love to hear it, man. Thank you so much for jumping with me and Katie. Katie, guys, shout out! Woohoo! We'll see you next time, Sam.
Okay.